everyone, Cindy A. Lewis here, and I'm really excited to bring this vintage ephemera haul to you. It's really cool from 3 different buyers. I've linked them below in my description. I'm one of those that if you're going to show me something, show me how to get it, or at least tell me where to find it. And sometimes looking for ephemera is a challenge. So the first one I'm going to show you is the DIY notebook, and that one is listed below. Also, they're all listed. But anyway, I thought you would enjoy looking at them with me. This one is the, let me make sure. No, this one is the Botanical, Vintage Botanical Scrapbook Decorations. So, really cute. We're going to look at them one at a time. I have 3 different ones. So pretty, you guys. If you're looking for vintage ephemera, I found some really fun buys. Now, these are stickers, and they have that clear background to them. So when you pull the sticker off, there's not a lot of, like it looks like the jute there. So these are fun little tickets. This is cute. Little tickets there, like raffle ticket type things. Numbers, flowers. Look at these. Oh, look. Binder clips, tabs. Here you go are some flowers and plants. These leaves. Some more here with these cute flowers. They look like little wildflowers. Grateful. So pretty, guys. Just adorable. Except for that's kind of weird. Yeah. So weird. Okay. And then I love always looking for some special type of flowers to do different pages and decorate my junk journals or cards even. I mean, just beautiful fern there. Let's see, magic right here. A little ruler or measuring tape. There's a clock in here. Just some really fun pieces. Look at these roses, guys. That's just beautiful. Really beautiful. So just wanted to share. This one is called the Vintage Botanical Paper. So that is this one. All right, this one is the has the vintage plants, and it's the one that's called laptop stickers, because these are a little bit bigger stickers. And so let's look at these. Some of them have 75 pieces, so many pieces. And look at these. Some of them are really similar, but look how big they are. Look how beautiful that is. Look at these flowers. So pretty. And the daffodil. And then what is this one? These purple flowers. Oh, look at that. What is that purple flower? Oh, look, it has some leaves. Some leaves. Fall leaves. These are pretty. And then look at these beautiful flower stickers. Those roses are gorgeous. Butterfly. Beautiful, beautiful. That's a pretty one for Mother's Day. Beautiful pink rose. Look, a little spoon. Oh, this is pretty. Look at that. Adorable. These are just beautiful. I had to share them with you guys. And no, I'm not an affiliate, nothing like that. Just love it and found some pretty ones and wanted to share with you. I got so many pieces here. It's amazing. And if you love these, you are going to love next month's giveaway. Just a little peek about that. So look at these here. So pretty. What's your favorite so far? I don't know. I'm telling you. The mushrooms are cute. And look at this rabbit. Oh my goodness. And then here's another little heart. Some pretty tiny flowers. Look at these. More of the beautiful flowers here. A magnolia. And then those are pretty, yeah, we just looked at those. Some more white roses. These beautiful, I don't know what those are. Look at this one with the beautiful music. It says Amazing Grace with a violin. And the fans. And a little shoe. Look at these. mushrooms. How cute these are. These are incredible. Love them. So pretty. Look at that. And then look at this tulip. Is that just gorgeous? Just beautiful. And I don't know. I just stumbled on these actually. And then it's like, well, I've got to share. Got to share with my friends, right? So look at these flowers here. These are tulips too, I think. They look like tulips, fancy tulips. All right, so let me go on to the next one. All right, this last set is a bundle from Elementology. I think that's how you say it. Anyway, they make different bundle sets of vintage ephemera, and I believe this is the small one, and it's called a vintage ephemera packet. Now, I'm going to show you guys. These are real vintage. These are not just stickers. These are real vintage pieces. This is amazing. All right, so we're going to go through and look at it, and then we're going to come back and put it all together. So this is one of those, oh, what are they called? Cigarette, I don't know. Anyway, Buffalo cigarettes. Then this is a postcard. It's from South Carolina. It says 1926 on there. St. Petersburg, Florida is probably where they made it, maybe. Or maybe it was in St. Petersburg, Florida. That. Oh, at Palmetto State. Oh, I bet this is some kind of a parade for football games or something. I don't know. And then look at this picture. Don't you just love these old vintage pictures? There's nothing on the back, but here, this little family, and we can preserve that in our junk journals. I just love that. And then here is, let's see, it looks like a prescription taken to the drugstore. I don't know how old this is. Isn't that crazy? This is from Coffeyville, Kansas, just up the road. And it is a good age there, I can tell. And look at this handwriting here. That is beautiful. This is from an architect firm. And they've got a little writing on the back. October. I can't read that. I don't know. Beautiful. Don't you just love that old writing? Oh, and a couple more pictures. Look. A little baby. How cute. Oh, and this one has writing on the back too. Lillian and Olive. Oh, it's a little girl and her baby sister, I guess. And then here's another picture. Oh, I love these old pictures. Let's see. I think it's, oh, no. So I don't know. All right, and then here is another postcard. Beautiful. And another picture, 1937. Love. Here is a cool picture too. Another postcard, Monte Carlo. Here's another postcard. I cannot tell what that stamp is. I don't know if you guys know. Look at this one. Dear, I am not the little boy you've been expecting. Unexpected is what I happen to be. Can you guess yours? 1908. Oh, that's cute. And it went to Mr. Thompson, William H. Thompson, in the city, I guess. That's cool. From Massachusetts. Oh, here's a letter. Oh my gosh, you guys. Dear daughter, I was in the something, a card from you today. Did not get a word. I feel like I can't stay here. You're my, been apart. Crosses don't look, I don't know what this is saying. Anyway, it's signed from Mother to Petty to pray for every higher and good, I don't know, Betty dear. Well, how neat is that? I think I need an interpreter for that one, but that's very cool. Then here's another little piece, and here is actually a letter, another letter from 1953. Oh my goodness. I don't want to tear it. It is a letter. Oh my gosh. Dear folks, your letter from Hannibal came in less than 24 hours. Letter to taken longer than that. Wish I could send a little your cool 70-degree weather today to you. Aren't you glad you have nothing more pressing to do than sightsee and travel? Oh my goodness, that's so cool. A little peek into someone's life. Wow, I almost feel like that's not right. But anyway, it's love, Jackie. Take care of yourselves and we'll do the same. Have fun. Something, love, Jackie. I don't know what 14,900 is, but anyway, pretty cool. And that paper is super thick. Remember, paper used to actually be thick. And then this is an old check. Hope you guys are enjoying this because I love it. 1923 invoice for printing for $3. Here's another letter from American Bible House. Receipt of your favor of June 26, advising us just that the piece is deceased. We would like to have some service upon small claim. Oh goodness, what is this? I don't know. Anyway, 1899. Really? Oh my goodness. This is incredible. 1917. You guys, I don't know what you think, but if you're bored, of course, you know, you don't have to watch with me, but this is pretty cool and I love enjoying it with you. This is another language. I think it's German. Oh, look at this. Varsity Track, the Garnet. That's from a 167. This is from a yearbook, I think. Here is another invoice. And here is a sample of something. Maybe paper, a sample of paper. Here's some stamps, 37 cents. I don't know how much that one is. And here is, this is from film. There's a negative. I don't know. Here we go. Leather Manufacturers, 1910 invoice. Here's some more pictures. Pretty cool, huh, guys? 1950, 1972. There's a dictionary page out of an old book. Here's some more stamps. Look at that. Oh, my goodness. Wow, I just love this stuff. I hope you guys enjoy this. It's another dictionary. Here is a print machinery. 1924. This just takes me, like, out of myself, I guess. I don't know. That's pretty cool. So I hope that you, if you like this, that you might check out some of these places that I got this. If you're for LOE, here's an old book like Dick and Jane or something. Here is another letter, 1894. These are real, you guys. These are real. These are not just pictures. These are real. If you want real vintage ephemera, that looks like shorthand. Elementology, just saying. And there's a link below. Pretty cool postcards here. Philadelphia. These are neat. Oktoberfest. Nice. Okay, here's a shoemaker. 1924. Okay. Here's another picture. Oh, what a cutie. And there's a little stamp. And here is another check for $22.50. Something Building Association, Mutual Building Association, $10. And then lastly, a portrait. Pretty cool, eh? I don't know if you enjoy that so much, but I do, and I had to share all of this with you. And if you're looking for any of it, and you want to see if you can find some from the sellers that I bought them from on Amazon, check it out below. It's really cool, and I can't wait to use some of these things in some of my projects. Anyway, thanks so much for watching, and I hope you have a great night.